Phosphor fans, Earl at thelogbook.com, back in the days of DOS with the characters of QBert. Wow, magic globes and time globe. Okay, obviously we're playing Parker Brothers' 1984 port of QBert for the PC. Parker Brothers had kind of the master license to bring QBert home to various consoles and home computers. So let's give QBert a look and see if CGA was colorful enough to bring him home to the IBM PC. You can configure the keyboard controls, which is nice. I have them configured the way I would normally configure QBert controls in MAME. Boy, I'm glad I narrowly avoided that magic globe. Oh, that wasn't where I needed to be to catch the disc. Oops. Important safety tip there. Thanks, Egon. This being the early days of graphics on the PC platform. It's not the prettiest game of QBert that anyone has ever made. But it plays well enough, and I think that was really the only thing PC owners cared about at the time. They were probably happy just to be able to play. Wow, this is kind of an ugly level, but there you go. It's a really frightening take on Ugh and Wrong Way there. Okay, now that color scheme during the time globe, that was terrible. That was really terrible. I mean, that's like the Stargate from 2001, where they just keep shifting the colors of the footage. Oops. Player 1, I'm disappointed in you. QBert looks really caffeinated in this port. Just jumping on the cubes, man. Okay, so in response to the question I asked earlier if CGA was colorful enough for QBert, no, it wasn't at all. You know, I've seen QBert done in black and white and shades of gray, such as on the original monochrome Game Boy, and it did not look as hideous as this does. So there are some things I like I said, Ugh and Wrong Way. That's a really interestingly detailed take on those particular characters, but you would think they might have lavished some of that graphical TLC on I don't know, the main character? Oh, I feel like I'm playing exactly the same way, exactly the same pattern that I did the first time around. Except worse. I'm looking over here at my my levels, and I'm seeing, it looks like what I'm seeing is that the game sound is not making it through. So that may be a peculiarity that's specific to DOSBox. I'm not sure. Kind of disappointing though. There's really not a whole lot to hear in this version. You know, you have the bwah, bwah, bwah every time he jumps. There isn't much more to the game's sound than that. Ooh, a time globe. And now, QBert is tripping balls. And he looks like it too, and he really does. Wrong magic globe to jump on, dude. Game over yet again. So there you have it. QBert for the DOS-based PC back in 1984. It's unfortunate that the state of typical computer hardware on the IBM side was such that Parker Brothers couldn't really count on having any more than CGA graphics to play with. I think I just switched it to black and white graphics and I don't notice any discernible difference. Hang on a second. Option screen, select color or black and white. Okay, black and white is selected. Yeah, no difference. It's the same rather ugly color scheme. So it may not have been pretty to play QBert on the PC back in the days of DOS, but if this was your chosen platform and you wanted to play this game, this was one of your very few options for playing QBert on a PC.